Understanding unity of direction, a key to successful teamwork. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an incredibly important concept that can make or break the success of any team or organization: unity of direction. This might sound complex, but by the end of this video, you'll understand why it's crucial and how it can be applied in various scenarios. So, let's get started. Unity of direction is a management principle that emphasizes the importance of all members of an organization or team moving together towards a common objective. It means that every strategy, action, and effort within the team is aligned and focused on achieving the same goal. This concept ensures that there is no confusion or conflict about what the team aims to achieve, leading to more efficient and effective work processes. The significance of unity of direction lies in its ability to enhance collaboration. When everyone is working towards the same goal, collaboration is more effective. Reduce conflicts. It minimizes the chances of conflicts as all efforts are directed towards a common objective. Increase efficiency. With all actions aligned, there's less waste of time and resources, leading to increased efficiency. Boost morale. Achieving goals together as a cohesive unit can significantly boost team morale and motivation. Implementing unity of direction requires clear communication. Clearly articulate the common goal to every team member. Leadership. Strong leadership to guide the team and ensure that all efforts are aligned with the goal. Collaborative planning. Engage team members in planning to ensure that everyone understands their role in achieving the common objective. Continuous monitoring. Regularly check that all actions remain aligned with the goal and adjust strategies as needed. In conclusion, unity of direction is not just a principle but a crucial strategy for the success of any team or organization. By ensuring that everyone is aligned towards a common goal, teams can achieve remarkable efficiency, reduce conflicts, and boost morale. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of unity of direction and how it can be effectively implemented. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.